Hey everyone, today we are going to get the van ready for storage. So I need to empty water tanks. I know I have some food in here that I got to get out. The batteries are going to go into the house and on a trickle charger over the winter. And then we will park the van, and then we can start looking at buses. And I haven't shared it with anyone yet, but I never got around to naming the van. I tossed around some obscure things. I was going to do Traveler or Explorer in Gaelic, but I never got around to doing that. But I did come up with a bus name. So when we find the bus, I will share that name with everyone. So let's get started. Okay, so I know there was some food in here. I got that out. I just want to look through these containers to make sure there's no food in here. Sunflower seeds and trail mix. So those need to come out. Dishes. So that one's good. Do want to pull out the first aid kit. Bleach and water, obviously that can't stay. Towels. Bathroom supplies. I think the mouthwash will be okay. Stored. Cleaning supplies. I've got vinegar and bleach. Not sure if those can freeze.
There's no alcohol.
Yeah,
Maybe bring it in.
we'll pull those out just to be on the safe side.
Wouldn't want the bottles to break.
Yeah, last thing I want is a bottle of bleach to crack and leak all over. Okay, down here I got my backup water tank. So we are definitely going to have to empty that. Dish soap's up there, that should be okay. I got a water tank. Another cleaning container, that comes out. Toilet paper will be okay, but we got a water tank in here that needs to come out. The sink.
Would you like me to come around to the side and take any of that out?
No, I'm gonna get out after this. I built this in a way where it's not easily gonna move around. And it's not easy to get out. There we go. Okay, just gonna lay that out. So we will dump those, and then the last thing is to pull the batteries out, which I'm not looking forward to because they're heavy. But let's take care of this stuff, and then we'll come around and do the batteries. Okay. Next up, we're going to pull the batteries out of here. So we'll open the access up. remove the window coverings and our storage tote. And my tripod. Now we can pull this out. Open this up. Okay, we'll just set the nuts here as we go. Okay, so I've got all the nuts off. I'm just going to start unhooking everything. Removing cables. And some of these will need to go in with the battery because I'm going to hook them up in series and run them on the charger. Okay. I am going to take the Power Pulse, the battery maintenance system that I bought. I'm going to take that in and use that over the winter. I had some really good results testing some batteries that I had bought at Walmart and actually was able to improve the upper levels of the battery with this device. So I'm going to continue to use that over the winter. So all that's left at this point is to start lifting the batteries out. One. Two. Three. So that gets the batteries out of the storage compartment. I still need to get the trickle charger out. And then I'm going to get my 2-wheel cart to move these. Okay, so I'm just going to put this all back in here. And we will be reusing 95% of this equipment in the minibus build. Up. Here we go. Let's move some batteries. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video or got something out of it, please like the video and share with your friends. And please subscribe by clicking the bell below. Remember, travel, explore, and live life to its fullest.